It's Dmitry here. How is it going? So guys, today I would like to discuss about another method, and yeah, let's jump into that. So guys, this method it's called include, and essentially like predominantly this method is used in order to work with array, in order to process array, and the main idea of this include method is it's used in order to find a match, and as a result, if it find like a match, so essentially it just returning you true or false. So basically, if match not found, it's going to return false, and otherwise true, right? It just return boolean. So let's jump, and I will show you some examples. So I'm going to define an array, and I will call it cities. So the first city I would like to call Sydney, the second one Moscow, then I guess Paris, Paris, and what else? Berlin, I guess. Berlin. Right, okay. So we have this cities array. So what I would like to do now, I would like to define another variable. I will call it result, and then I'm going to work with the actual array, then include, and guys, I say include. So guys, the idea is here I'm going to pass the actual string, right? The thing that I'm trying to find, essentially. Okay, I think I will say Moscow, because why not? And let's see what's going to return. Nothing, right? Yeah, fair enough. And I know why. Probably because we need to log it out first. So let's log it out. Come on. Just do it. Let's run it again. So you guys, you can see, right, the result is true. Yeah, because it makes sense, right? Moscow, it exists here. So, and if I say, I don't know, like, which city? Oh man, Melbourne. I hope I spelled right way. So, and if I run it, so it will not find, right? And based on that, it will return false. So cool, guys. So that's kind of the main idea of this method, right? But then another thing that it would allow you to do, which is a pretty cool thing, you can do another thing. For example, guys, in this case, it just go through all of these values, right? And yeah, it's not going to find it, right? But in case, for instance, if it's going, once again, if you define Moscow, right, and if you run it, it will give you like a true. So, and the thing is, what will happen, essentially it's going to stop here, right? It's going to say, all right, I find it, so it's true, that's it. But what if I would like to do different stuff? What if I would like to understand that if the rest of the values, some of them they also would contain Moscow, right? Let's define like Moscow here again, right? So, and now what I would like to do, because I know, for example, that the Moscow is like a first index, right? So this one's index 0, 1, and so on, right? So now I'm going to say 2 because this is the 1, right? And we're going to search from index 2 and forward, right? So let's see. So guys, you can see true, right? So essentially what it did, I specified the value that I'm looking for, and I said just keep looking from this index 2, and like, you know, towards the end of the array. So, and if I would like to say, I don't know, New York, for instance, right? Because New York, it doesn't exist here, right? It should return false. So that's what's happening, right? It's returning false, which just makes sense. So this functionality, I guess, so it's really can be useful, right, in some cases. And I'm pretty sure like you guys would understand what kind of cases I'm talking about. Like I'm talking about I don't know, if you know the scope of the array where you would like to make a search, right? And I don't know, you know that like one of the elements it's already presented and it's, you know, like, you know, the index of this element and you know the actual value, right? And you're not interested in this anymore. For instance, I know that Moscow is here, right? So I'm not interested. I'm interested to know if like the rest of the value they contain like Moscow, for instance, right, or something. So, and yeah, that's how it's allowed you to do that, this include thing, include methods. So pretty useful method, guys. Yeah, I would just recommend you to play around with that, and yeah, just come up with your, you know, with your examples, and yeah, and it's not a rocket science to understand this method. Just keep practicing, pretty much it. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you like this video. As always, as I always say, please like it if you enjoy it, right? And please subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, and if you're following my tutorials on a daily basis, just guys, you know, I would really appreciate it if you do that. But yeah, otherwise, just keep watching my tutorials in any case. Thank you, guys, and goodbye.